Hello everyone, welcome again. In the last video, we learned some exercises, practice time till page number 54. Today we will solve some more exercise from our textbook, Greedy Gatekeeper, some pattern and Ramu's field. One story is given. Let's read and understand this. Greedy Gatekeepers. Remember Birbal, the clever minister of Akbar king? In the last year in 4th standard, Akbar and Birbal story already you learn, and in that Akbar asked Birbal to make a short line. Did you remember that? Yes. Now here, Birbal was then a young boy living in a village. He was very clever and could write poetry. He could write poetry nicely. He thought he would try his luck in the king's court. So he took some of his poems and set off for the city. उसने सोचा कि वो किंग के कोर्ट में जाएगा और उसका अपना लक आजमाएगा. सो उसने वो दरबार की ओर चल पड़ा. When he reached the outer gate of the palace, he was stopped by the gatekeeper. एक gatekeeper ने उसको रोका. Hey, stop here! Where are you going? Shouted the gatekeeper. उसने बोला आप कहाँ जा रहे हो? I am a poet. I want to see King Akbar and show my poems to him, replied the poet. बिरबल ने बोला कि मैं एक पोएट हूँ, मैं एक कवि हूँ और मेरी कविता मुझे अकबर को सुनानी है. ओह, यू आर अ पोएट. द किंग इज काइंड. ही विल श्योरली गिव यू अ प्राइज. आई विल लेट यू इन इफ यू गिव मी 1/10 ऑफ योर प्राइज. उसने बोला फर्स्ट गेटकीपर ने बोला कि हमारे किंग अकबर बहुत दयालु है, वो आपको ज़रूर प्राइज़ देगा, बट मैं आपको अंदर एक शर्त पे ही जाने दूंगा. अगर अकबर आपको प्राइज़ देता है, जो भी प्राइज़ देता है, उसका 1/10 पार्ट मुझे देना पड़ेगा. ओके. यंग बीरबल अग्रीड सिंस ही हैड नो अदर वे. बीरबल के पास अंदर जाने का दूसरा कोई रास्ता नहीं था, सो ही अग्रीड. When he went in, the gatekeeper calculated, if he gets 100 gold coins, I will get dash gold coins. जब वो अंदर गया बीरबल, तो गेटकीपर ने सोचा कि अकबर ने शायद उसको 100 गोल्ड कॉइन्स देंगे, तो मुझे कितने मिलेंगे. लेट्स काउंट. टोटल 100 coins and first gatekeeper asked 1/10 part. So 1/10 of hundreds. 1/10 of 100. So how to count? So we will multiply. 1/10 of means multiply by 100. Okay, ये division में आया. So 0 cancel. What is remaining? Upside only 10 and 1. So 10 ones are 1. So first gatekeeper will get 10 coins out of 100 coins. Okay. Now let's read again. If he gets 100 gold coins, I will get 10 gold coins. The poet came to a second gatekeeper. Now, second gatekeeper. This gatekeeper also said, I will let you in if you give me 2/5 of your price. मैं आपको अंदर जाने दूंगा, लेकिन एक शर्त है, जो भी प्राइज मिलेंगी उसका 2/5 पार्ट मुझे देना पड़ेगा. द गेटकीपर देन द पोएट अग्रीड एंड द गेटकीपर हैप्पीली कैलकुलेटेड द पोएट विल गेट एटलीस्ट 100 गोल्ड कॉइन्स, सो आई विल गेट डैश गोल्ड कॉइन्स. सो लेट्स वंस अगेन काउंट. सेकेंड गेटकीपर आस्क्ड 2/5 part of 100 coins. Okay, so 2/5. Let's count. 2/5 of means multiply by 100. Okay, so 5 के टेबल में 100 कब आता है? 20 5 are 100. So let's do 20, 5 are 100. So upside what is remaining? 20 and 2. 22 are 2 2s are 4. So 40. So second gatekeeper will get 40 coins and first gatekeeper will get 10 coins. Now let's read. So he will get 40 gold coins. First gatekeeper will get 10 and second will get 40. The poet reached the last gate. The gatekeeper said, I will allow you to see the king only if you give me half of the price that you get. Third gatekeeper also asked कि आपको मैं अंदर जाने दूंगा, लेकिन आपकी प्राइस में से मुझे हाफ प्राइस आप मुझे दोगे तो ही आपको अंदर जाने दूंगा. द पोएट हैड नो अदर वे. बीरबल के पास कोई दूसरा वे ही नहीं था, कोई दूसरा रास्ता ही नहीं था. सो ही अग्रीड एंड वेंट इनसाइड. द गेटकीपर थॉट टुडे इज अ ग्रेट डे. If he gets 100 gold coins, I will get dash gold coin. So let's count and once again, but if he gets 1000 coins, wow, I will get how many? So let's count both the things. Half, third gatekeeper asked half. So half of 100. Half of 100. Half of 100. How many? 1 by 2 multiply by 100. So 250s are 100. So he will get 50. और 100 का हाफ आपको ऑलरेडी आता है. हाफ ऑफ 100 50. If he get 1000 coins, then you all knows very well half of 1000 500. Okay. Now let's read. So if the Birbal get 100 coins, the third gatekeeper will get 50 coins, and but if he gets 1000 coins, that third gatekeeper will get 500 coins. Now the king was very happy with the poems and said, your work is very good. You can ask anything as your prize. अकबर बहुत खुश हो गया और उसने बोला, बीरबल आपको जो चाहिए वो मांगो. My lord, I want 100 slaps. What he asked? 100 slaps. 100 चाटे. 100 चाटे सुन के अकबर शॉक हो गया. The king shocked. What happened after that? Complete the story and what part of the prize did the poet get? Let's find out that Birbal will get any slap and what will happen. Let's count how many slaps gatekeeper. First gatekeeper get 10, then second gatekeeper get 40 and third gatekeeper will get 50 slaps. Okay, so let's count total how many. 4 and 1 5 and 5 and 5 10. So 100 slaps already done and Birbal asked 100 only. So Birbal will get any slap? Birbal will get any slap? No, he will not get any slap. एंड गेट कीपर को सबक भी सीखना मिल गया और दे गॉट पनिशमेंट ऑल्सो एज द स्लैप. दे ऑल गॉट स्लैप्स. नाउ सी पेज नंबर 57. पैटर्न्स इन पार्ट्स. 1 number, make different patterns by coloring some squares in the grid B, C and D. What part of the grid did you color? What part of the grid remained white? Right. Okay. A number is already given. 8 by 16 blue and 8 by 16 white. You can see total 16 parts are there, and among these 8 parts 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. 8 parts blue and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 parts white. Okay. So we have to solve this B, C and D, and we have to color it. We can do 1 by 2 gray and 1 by 2 white. 1 by 2 gray and 1 by 2 white. Now how will we do? So we can make it 2 parts. Let's do one part gray. I am using pencil only. You also can use pencil. You can see here I already color some parts gray color. Okay. Now 1 by 2. How it is 1 by 2? We can make two parts. Among these two parts, one is gray, one is white. Here also one gray, one white. One gray, one white. White, gray. Gray, white, gray, white, gray, white. So it is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 gray and 1 by 2 white. Now we'll do another also. 4 by 16 red. We will do 4 by 16 red and 12 by 16 white. So let's color here 4 by 16. We will color this one, this one, this one and this one. So you can see here 4 by 16 part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Among 16, 4 shaded. So 4 by 16 red and white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 12 by 16 white. One I have done here, last one D. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 16 blue. And same here 8 by 16 white. Okay. Now see number 2. Look at grid A again. Is the grid colored? Okay. 4 options are given: A, B, C and D. Mark wrong on the wrong answer. Okay. From these 4, one answer is wrong. Grid is here. One number A, 1 by 2 blue and 1 by 2 white. Okay. We can see 1 by 2 blue, 1 by 2 white. This one is right. 2 by 4 blue, 2 by 4 white. Now 4 we have to see. Among these 4, 2 blue, 2 white. Yes, it is also right. 4 by 8 blue, 4 by 8 white. Now we will check 8 part. 8 parts are there. This 8 part. From this 8 part, 4 parts white, 4 parts blue. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 parts blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts white. This is also right. 1 is remain. 3 by 8 blue, 5 by 8 white. 1, 2, 3. But it is wrong. 3 होता तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 लेने पड़ते. Okay. So C number is wrong. Number C is wrong. D. Draw grid of 16 squares and make pattern with 2 by 8 red, 1 by 2 yellow, 1 by 4 green. So students, draw the patterns, draw the grid line like this and fill in 2 by 8 part red, 1 by 2 yellow, यानी कि 2 में से एक part yellow, 1 by 4 green, यानी कि from 4 you have to color 1 green and 3 by 16, 5 by 16 and 1 by 2 yellow. Same you have to do. Next page number 58. Ramu's vegetable field. Ramu's vegetable field has 9 equal parts. Already here given 9 equal parts. What vegetables does he grow? Vegetables are given. What is this? Chili. Then this one, potatoes, brinjals. Then spinach, tomatoes, brinjal, tomatoes, potatoes and tomatoes. Now downside some questions are given. One number, which vegetable grows in the biggest part of his field and what part? So सबसे ज़्यादा parts कौन सा vegetable है? चिली 1 ही part है, potatoes only 2 parts, brinjals only 2 parts, spinach 1 part. So tomatoes 1, 2 and 3. 3 parts tomatoes. So we can say here. So 3 parts of field used for growing tomatoes and 3 out of 9. Total 9 parts are there. They asked what parts? So 3 3s are 9. So 1/3 part tomatoes. Second question, on what part of the field does he grow potatoes? Potatoes, what part? Let's check potatoes. Potatoes only 2 parts. 2 and total kitne? 9 parts. So write here 2 by 9. 2 by 9 part, 2/9 part tomatoes. What part of the field is used to grow spinach and what part is used for brinjals? They are spinach and brinjal both. Now let's see. Spinach only 1 part and brinjal 1 and 2. So we have to write the parts. How? So spinach only 1 part. So 1 by 9th. 9 में से एक ही पार्ट स्पिनेच का है एंड ब्रिंजल 2 पार्ट्स 2/9 9 में से 2 पार्ट ब्रिंजल का एंड 1 पार्ट स्पिनेच का. नाउ यू राइट सम क्वेश्चंस बाय लुकिंग एट दिस पिक्चर. यू कैन मेक योर ओन क्वेश्चंस. यू कैन आस्क व्हाट पार्ट ऑफ द फील्ड इज यूज्ड फॉर ग्रोइंग चिलीज. Which 2 vegetables are grown on equal parts of the field? Which 2 vegetables on equal parts? Okay. What part of the field is used for spinach, for tomatoes, for potatoes? This type of questions you can make it yourself and write on page number 59. I wrote here 2 questions. Now see, here one another question is given. Ramu wanted to give these vegetables to his friends. He gave Abu Bakr 1/5 of these tomatoes and 1/3 of the potatoes. Srija got 2/5 of the tomatoes and 3/6 of the potatoes. Nancy got the rest of these vegetables. Circle Abu Bakr's share in blue. Circle Srija's share in yellow. Okay, first we will find out how many potatoes and how many tomatoes are here. So let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. So tomatoes how many? 20 tomatoes we have. And potatoes 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. 18 potatoes are there. Now what here they asked? He gave 1/5 part of these tomatoes and 1/3 part of the potatoes. Okay, from 20 and 18, what he is giving? Let's see. Total tomatoes 20 and potatoes 18. Abu Bakr's share of tomatoes 1/5 of 20. 20 में से 1/5 part he gave to Abu Bakr. So we'll count 1/5 of means multiply by 20. ये division में है. So 5 4s are 20. So how many tomatoes he will give? 4 tomatoes. 4 tomatoes he will give to Abu Bakr. And Srija's share of tomatoes. कितने टोमेटो श्रीजास को देते हैं? 2/5 of 20. So let's count 2/5 of means multiply by 20. 20 में से 2/5 part देती है. That is why we wrote 2/5 like this. 5 4s are 20. What is remaining? 4 and 2. 4 multiplied by 2. 4 2s are 8 tomatoes. Now Abu Bakr's share of potatoes. How many potatoes he will get? 1/3 part of 18. 18 में से 1/3 part. So once again let's count 1/3 multiply by 18. 3 के टेबल में 18 कब आता है? 3 6 are 18. So Abu Bakr's share 6 potatoes. 3/6 of 18. So 3 by 6 multiplied by 18. 6 3s are 18. What is remaining? 3 and 3. 3 multiplied by 3. 3 3s are 9 potatoes. So Abu Bakr got 4 tomatoes and Srija got 8 tomatoes. Total how many tomatoes were there? Total 20 tomatoes, and he gave Abu Bakr and Srija 8 and 4 12 tomatoes. Now from 20 to 12 he already gave them. So we will subtract. दे दिए है. So we will subtract 20 minus 12. So what is remaining? 20 में से 12 निकालो तो it will be 8. So 8 tomatoes will remain. So remaining tomato he will give to Nancy. So 8 tomatoes he will give to Nancy. Now we'll count about potatoes. Abu Bakr get how many and Srija get how many? Abu Bakr get 6 potatoes and Srija got 9 potatoes. So how much he will give? 9 plus 6. 9 say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 15 potatoes he gave to these two friends. Now Nancy, total 18 were there, 18 potatoes. From 18 he gave 15 to his friend. How many remain? 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5, 3. So 3 potatoes he will give to Nancy. Circle अबू बैकर शेयर इन ब्लू. अबू बैकर ने जितने पोटैटोज और टोमेटोज लिए हैं उसको ब्लू सर्कल करने हैं. सो अबू बैकर गॉट 4 टोमेटोज. 4 टोमेटोज वी कैन सर्कल ब्लू. फ्रॉम हियर वी कैन स्टार्ट 1 2 3 4. सो 4 tomatoes. These 4 he got. Okay, and remaining he gave to Srija. That we can do yellow. Now potatoes. How many potatoes he got? Abu Bakr got 6 potatoes. So we'll circle 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Otherwise we can do here also 1 2 3 4 and 5 and 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This also we can do. So this one blue color and remaining yellow color. So students, these 3 exercises you can do in your maths notebook. Don't do anything in your maths textbook. Only write here this answer, some 2 questions with the pencils. Don't write anything in the textbook. Write in the notebook. I will send you PDF. Thank you students.